Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday, 28th May. So this analysis is for Friday, 20th May only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for the coming week. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of gold USD, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame. Okay, and if we just look at the chart, then there is no doubt that market is in uptrend. Okay, market is in uptrend, and we can see that right now market is coming down, and the current market price is 1884. This is the current market price. If you remember correctly, then I recommended a buy above this level. Okay, and hopefully you all have made good money. Okay, and after the market reverse, okay, and right now we can see that market is coming down again. So what should be our strategy for Friday then? So if we look at the chart carefully, then we can see that right now market has come down to this support level, because see, if I remove this trend line, and you can see that this line 50 moving average, which is a dynamic support. So 50 moving average is providing support to the market, and right now market is almost standing at a 50 moving average. So there is a good possibility that market may reverse from here. And if I zoom in, then I can see that price is being rejected from below, which means that, okay, try to understand the market psychology here, which means that buyers are present in the market. Okay, buyers are present in the market who are still trying their best to make 50 moving average as a support, who are still trying their best to push the price upward. Okay, therefore there is a struggle going on between the bulls and the bears. And apart from the 50 moving average being the support, okay, I can also draw a trend line here. So if I join these dots, then you can see that apart from the 50 moving average, market is also standing at the support, sorry, at the trend line. Sorry. So market has got dual dual support here, and which is a very good thing. So considering the trend line and the 50 moving average, there is a good possibility that market will bounce from here. But still, we need the confirmation, as I always say. And it is a bitter fact of the market that traders like you and me, we do not decide the direction of the market. The big players, the hedge funds, the banks, they determine the direction of the market. Therefore, confirmation is extremely important, because we cannot trade blindly. Okay. Therefore, as you can see right now, market is almost standing at a support and kinda bouncing. Okay, so wait for one or two candles and just see how the price is doing. If you see that price really, okay, price really bounces, or if it forms hammer kind of a candlestick pattern, okay, hammer kind of a pattern, or price rejection from below like this, or a green candle like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, 50 moving average or the trend line is a valid support, you can go for a buy order as of now for Friday session. Okay, and what will be your target? Your target will be 1910. This will be your target. Okay, so considering the dual support, we can go for a buy order in the gold USD as of now. Wait for one or two candle and just observe the price. Try to read the chart, try to understand the market psychology. If you see that yes, market is taking support, go for a buy. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for the coming week. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.